We are here at the Quartzsite RV Show.
Yeah.
It is pretty crowded. Today is Tuesday, the second day that we're in town. Fourth day of the show. And we're having a good time going through the big tent.
It's chilly, as you can see. I'm wearing a beanie. Yesterday was worse because of the wind.
Yes, we didn't do any filming yesterday. It was way too windy.
It was so windy. It was so incredibly windy. And we thought there wasn't going to be any wind today, but there still is. It's not as bad as yesterday, so it is chilly. Like the tent is not warming up because it's just, I think it's in the 50s. It's like 58 or 59 right now. So, anyways, chilly, but doable. Seems to be a pretty good crowd out here. As usual, a huge crowd of dogs.
Yes, lots of dogs.
So, some like each other, some don't.
Alrighty, we're going to take you around and show you everything we got around here.
So much better in the sun.
So much better walking around in the sun. Not as windy as yesterday.
No, way better, but just beautiful in the sun. But it's a little nippy if you're not.
Yeah. So honored. We met a bunch of people.
Yes.
It's so humbling when we're walking by and somebody flags us down and says, hey, we watch you.
Yes.
So for all of you guys out there, thank you so much. Some we got pictures with, some we didn't. But we really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you for stopping and saying hi. I know that's not always easy to do. I am a person that that does not feel comfortable doing that, so I've had to step outside of my comfort zone. So I get that, and I'm so thankful that you guys do come up and say hi. It means the world to us when you let us know that you watch us and support us. So thank you.
Yes. And I think we're going to go check out some RVs now, so come along.
Let's go look.
All right, so a couple weeks ago when we were in Mesa, we saw a lot of fifth wheels. There wasn't really any drivables there.
Oh, I see a few I want to look at.
Here in Quartzsite, they've got a lot of Class A's. So we're going to go check out a few Class A's. We're going to skip the fifth wheels for now. Come along.
The 23 Armada Holiday Rambler. We're just going to go give it a whirl. Okay, so it's on sale for $380,000.
Looks used, right?
Well, it's a 23.
Yeah, it may not be.
I don't know if it is.
No, they still have a lot of the new.
I was going to say, a lot of the new. Look at the refrigerator hasn't been peeled. But you get a full size. What you like, the gray. Oh, so this is going to have all your space in the bathroom, right? The washer dryer or extra closet. This must be an extra bathroom. It's locked. Or it's not. Is it just a half bath?
Yeah.
2 sinks. I mean, it's very big. It's a big. Look how big the shower is. This is the washer dryer. So those were just closets. Lots of storage. Let's look at the bathroom.
That's used.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Toilet needs to be replaced. So 380, 23. Good distance. Good size.
And it's big. 44. Right?
Yeah.
That's big. I think it looks too big. If I was going to do a drivable, I feel like we'd downsize a little bit. But we're not doing a drivable right now, so we're just looking.
So this one is a 2024 Integra Aspire, 44 feet. As you can see, all dark wood. Pretty wide open floor plan. MSRP on this is $650, but show price is only $450. Getting a bargain. Nothing special.
I mean,
You got the Tecma electric toilet.
yeah.
Washer dryer.
I like this half-bass better. It's not like a little, you've got more,
yeah.
you know.
Not bad. So there's quite a few RVs here that are sold.
Yeah, we've seen lots of sold stickers.
Yeah. So
We're
this
just going up, 500.
this is a 2025 Integra Aspire.
We got the shiny floors.
Sale price, show price, $499, $995, and probably 99 cents. You never know. I don't know what MSRP on this thing is. MSRP is $700,000.
Oh, sorry, did not mean to.
So for show price should get a couple $100,000 knocked off. Exactly. So we always say it's always good to look for RVs at an RV show. You get some good deals. Here's my question. If you can afford $600,000, can you afford $800,000? I don't know.
I kind of like how the washer dryer's in this closet. So it doesn't really take away from your closet.
Oh yeah.
Because you also have then your other things in your closet, the drawers and all that. Deep drawers.
So we're at $700,000?
Ooh, that's a lot of money. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's not what we're doing. We thought our rig was expensive.
Yeah.
So, but it's fun to look. I just like to look.
So the thing about the Quartzsite RV Show that a lot of people don't realize is the RV show part of it. It's a dealer show. It's one dealership, RV Country, and this is their show. Unlike Florida, unlike Hershey, where it's more of a manufacturer's show and you get a lot of different manufacturers showing up, this is a dealership show. So you got a lot of used, a bunch of new, and they have the brands out here that they're authorized to sell. So the brands they have the most of in the Class A's seem like the Integras and a bunch of Holiday Ramblers. They had some used Tiffins and everything else, but most of those said sold, so we couldn't go in them. So as far as fifth wheels, looks like Brinkley, Grand Design, and Montana's are the three main brands they have out here as well.
I feel like this year they have more.
Yeah.
But it could just be how they set up, but I don't think so. I think they definitely brought in a few more. But again, we've said it so many times, Quartzsite is not necessarily about the RV show.
Right.
Sales, whatever it is.
It's about the Big Ten.
Yeah.
And the networking.
Yeah.
And hanging out at beer bellies. In addition to the RV show here in Quartzsite, there's always all these different events. Today we are here at the Party on Plamosa, sponsored by Escapees RV Club. It's just a big party, open to the public, free food, music, and just a lot of networking and gathering, so we're looking forward to it.
Not me. I'm not getting linked in that. I get linked in it all the time.
Maria told me about it.
No, I don't. So we just got done with the Party on Plamosa.
Excuse Kevin's voice. He is not sick. Every year in January, you get a little hoarse. I don't know. And then there's a ton of dust out here, so it's probably all of it.
Change in the weather, allergies, something. This happens every January.
Yes, so pardon the voice.
Yeah. So anyway, just got done Party on Plamosa. We met so many cool people out here.
did.
All of you guys that have come up to us, said you watched the channel. We are so humbled and honored that you go out of your way just to say hi to us. You know,
I'm so grateful that they do, because
Yes.
I know it's not easy to always go up and say hello.
Right.
And so we appreciate you coming over and saying hi and getting to know you and just hear a little bit about your journey. And we are, like we said, so grateful.
Yes.
So thank you. Thank you for coming over.
And the other channels that we met, we got some stickers. We'll show
Yes.
those. We'll get those put on the door here at the end of Quartzsite. We'll go through all the stickers and all the other channels that we met.
Yeah.
And we'll do all that at the end of the video. So, you know, thank you guys that came out and met up with us today.
Yeah, it was a really fun, successful day. The weather has been tricky this year in Quartzsite. It's been windy and a lot chillier.
Yeah.
And today was actually a beautiful day. Sunny and very light wind, and it was very enjoyable. The sun is going down now, so it's getting chilly, but a really good day.
Yep.
Just music and community. That's what it's about,
Absolutely.
right?
We're going to head back to the RV park now and have some dinner.
Yeah.
Maybe jump in the jacuzzi. I don't know.
Maybe not, but we are definitely, we got to go make some dinner and just chill out.
And then back to the show on tomorrow. Another day here at
What are we on, day 4?
Something like that.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day 4. Although we did not come here yesterday.
No.
So,
So this is our third day here at the big tent.
I'm tired of the wind.
The weather is not cooperating a whole lot.
Well, it's just, I hate wind, personally, so I'm tired of the wind. It would be amazing if there was no wind, because the sun is out, and it's actually, like what, supposed to be 66 today?
Something like that.
But the wind is just it's making everything so dirty, too, by the RV, so.
Oh, yeah.
But again, you just go with it because you can't control the weather. We know this in RV land.
Yeah, there's a layer of dirt on the RV back at the park.
What are we at? It's Thursday around 1. It looks pretty crowded in here today in the tent.
Oh, yeah. I think every day is going to be crowded.
Especially as it gears towards the weekend, it's going to get more and more crowded.
Well, we're going to try to show you guys some more products here at the inside the tent. Show you what it's all about.
I got Kevin and Larika, retired road tripping, is here to try our dips. Our dips are amazing, guys. If I can have you taste them over the camera, we obviously can't, but the dips sell themselves. We are a spice above. It's happy to have them over here checking it out. Go check out their YouTube channel at Retired Road Tripping. Let's go, baby.
So the thing about the Quartzsite RV show, unlike a lot of others, is it seems like the majority of the people aren't actually in the show. Immediately to the north of the big tent is an area called the Tyson Wells Marketplace. And for lack of a better term, it's like a permanent swap meet. Apparently it's set up in all winter, But you can definitely find anything and everything you would find at a swap meet here at the marketplace. It actually crosses the main drag, and there's acres and acres and acres of it on both sides. I mean, we've seen booths for RV supplies, tools, jewelry, clothing,
Dog strollers,
off-brand electric bikes, tons of carnival food.
Yeah.
I mean,
clothing, purses, hats.
It's a swap meet.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It is a literal swap meet. They've got tents set up as a grocery store. They've got knives. They've got everything. They've got artists, health and beauty. So yeah, if you're coming out to Quartzsite next year, give yourself an extra day or two and
check it out.
Not just the big tent, not just about the RVs. It's about this whole area. This is the Tyson Wells Marketplace, immediately north of the RV show. It's great.
Traveling around, gassing
are here at Quartzsite at the Content Creator Meetup. There are a lot of channels out here meeting up, old friends, new friends, everybody's a friend.
That's right.
Looking forward, and we'll show you around a little bit. We're just going to enjoy ourselves. We'll get back to you. We are done with the Quartzsite Show 2025.
Yes, and what a show. We've had such a good time here
Yes.
all week. We've been in and out of Quartzsite pretty much every day but Wednesday.
Yes.
Different times, just coming back for different events, different things, to see different people,
Yeah.
spend time at the adult daycare,
Oh, yeah.
meet up with friends. There were, and most of you will know this from other channels, but there were a lot of content creators here this year.
Absolutely.
Which was super fun to
Yeah.
just meet channels and people that you've been watching and you feel like you know them.
Yeah.
So when you get to meet them, what a joy, what a treat.
Yeah, all the people were just commenting on each other's videos and, Facebook, Instagram posts. It was really neat to kind of finally put, faces to names and everything else.
Well, and personalities, and
Yeah.
just have some great conversations with people. So we come here with the intent of just getting to know people and enjoying being here, and it has been such a blessing.
Absolutely. And today at the More Ride booth, Stan and Rhonda, Over the Hill Adventures, dear friends, they were doing giveaways and raffles, and somebody won a hat.
I did. We won in the raffle, and we won a hat, and it was
Yes.
so much fun. Thank you so much for doing that, Stan and Rhonda.
Yes.
And I don't know, we just had so much fun. A bunch of channels met up there
Yes,
too.
absolutely.
Just hang out, good friends, and great company.
Yes, and we gathered a ton of stickers earlier in the video. We told you we'll show you. So here's our sticker loot that we just got.
Yes. I said, and I was talking to Deb from Chasing Our Sunshine, I said, I feel like we should do like a scratch and sniff, and everybody should be from their state. So like hers could be like with trees that smell like pine, or I don't know what ours would. What can we smell like? Cactus or dirt? I don't know.
Yeah.
But it just reminds me of being in school and having scratch and sniffs. All the sticker exchanging and the meeting of people, and even like the meeting of people that didn't have YouTube channels.
Absolutely.
What a blessing. Gosh, there are so many great people in the RV community, and we really saw it this week.
Yeah, our subscribers and people that watch us. I know we've said it 3 or 4 times this video, but I can't say it enough. It is so humbling for you guys to come up to us and say you watch our videos and that you appreciate what we do. And it's you guys are always thanking us, but no, we cannot thank you all enough for supporting our little channel.
Absolutely. It means the world to us, your support, just the interaction and the community that you build through YouTube. That is, I'm just so grateful. Shows like this allow that.
Yes.
And, it doesn't always happen because a lot of the people that you come into contact with are, from the East Coast or vice versa, or the Midwest. It doesn't matter, but YouTube always connects you and you get those bonds, and we are grateful for that. We are so grateful and we are so thankful.
Yeah, so next week we'll be back to regular content when we first got to Apache Junction.
Yes.
Go back to everything we've been doing since we've been back in AJ. We usually do kind of hit this on a real time so everybody can, appreciate Quartzsite.
Sure.
But yeah, next week back to Apache Junction and everything we were doing leading up into the holidays.
Back to everyday life.
Yeah. So do us a favor. Again, thank you very much. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Ring that notification bell.
Yeah.
New videos pretty much every Sunday.
Yeah. We appreciate it, and we can't say that enough.
Yep. And we will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.